Have a blurry or pixelated image? Watch this. We'll turn it into 4K with just one click, completely free and without any app. Try it now and give your images the 4K glow they deserve. Just open your browser and go to upscale.media. This AI tool lets you enhance any image instantly. Click Upload Image and choose the photo you want to fix. You can even drag and drop it directly. Now just wait a few seconds. The AI automatically upscales your photo by 2x or 4x, sharpening details without losing quality. Here's the magic. Before and after. No blur. No pixels. Just a stunning HD level image. When you're happy with the result, click Download. That's it. No sign up, no watermark, 100% free. You can also use this for old photos, product shots, social media content, or generated art. It works with JPG, PNG, most image types. Like and subscribe if you want more AI tricks like this.